Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Hello Hands. And today I shall be telling you a hadith about what to say when you sneeze. Let's begin. We all sneeze from time to time. But do you know what to say when you sneeze? Well, here's a hadith on the topic. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrated that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When one of you sneezes, let him say Alhamdulillah, and let his brother or companion say to him Yarhamakullah. If he says Yarhamakullah, then let the sneezer say Yadikumullah wa yaslihu balakum." Narrated in Sahih Bukhari. So, as you can see from the hadith, when we sneeze, we should say Alhamdulillah, which means praise be to Allah, and let his brother or companion say to him Yarhamakullah, which means may Allah have mercy on you. And if he says Yarhamakullah, then let the person who sneezed say Yadikumullah wa yaslihu balakum, which means may Allah guide you and rectify your condition. So, don't forget to tell everyone that. Assalamu alaikum, it's Hello Hands.